Russia uses electronic warfare heavily to try and deny Ukraine intelligence gathering and conducting strikes by GPS or drones. While this is effective in disrupting attacks, it isn't bulletproof. And Ukraine takes every opportunity to destroy these systems to make communication and signals less jammed. As Strizh is meant to block drones' communication signal, the smaller system can be used at trenches or higher up in this case. But as this electronic warfare didn't manage to stop this drone, the drones make a quick swoop pause to come back for a better hit. Hitting the system good, destroying it, leaving less jammed communication, being able to take out more equipment for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.